VeloCare is the best-in-class, proactive technology monitoring and repair service that maximizes uptime and controls cost. We support both fleet and facility worlds, so whether you're on or off the highway, indoor or outdoor, we're designed to cover all aspects of the technology that runs your business. So how does the process work? Our team of experts guide you through the setup process, helping you pull together your technology, assets, inventory, and locations. Then, our 24/7 system health monitoring starts proactively observing the state of your system, while your customer success manager carefully watches for any alerts or downtime. When a problem is detected, we immediately escalate to our VeloCare tech support. Our team will fix the issue remotely or schedule on-site repair. If an on-site repair is needed, a VeloCare technician will be routed to your location to get you back online. Once your problem is resolved, we'll return any unused technology to inventory, bench test the technology in question, issue an RMA as needed, and update your inventory management. The entire process can be tracked in our VeloCare dashboards. Learn more about VeloCare and how you can join the program at velocity.com/VeloCare.